Hello, I'm Bernard Hickey from interest.co.nz and welcome to 90 at 9, brought to you in association with ASB. This is our morning briefing where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds, 9 o'clock, starting now with news that fear about the collapses of Ford, General Motors and Chrysler is worrying the credit markets. The banks have lent an awful lot to these three car makers, and if they default on their debt, this could trigger new turmoil in the credit markets and force the banks to take big new write-downs that would again force new capital raisings and potentially slam their share prices again. Now, there is talk that in the Senate of the US Congress, there's been a bipartisan deal to give some of these car makers some money, but there's a lot of uncertainty about whether it'll get through because they're in a lame duck session that actually ends tomorrow. The S&P 500 fell 6% in late trade yesterday and is already down 1% at new lows, and its lowest point since 2002. Meanwhile, Citigroup, the world's largest bank by assets, certainly not by market capitalisation anymore, fell again overnight, and there are fears growing that it may not survive through the credit crunch. It may actually require fresh government capital from the US. Closer to home, Fonterra is expected to announce a cut in its payout later today, which will again extend the recession in New Zealand. I'm Bernard Hickey, that was 90 at 9 for interest.co.nz, brought to you in association with ASB.